Here's how to fix Windows 11 keeps randomly freezing. First, you want to right click on the start button, click on run, and in here we want to type msconfig and then press enter, and it should open up this window. Now we want to go to services and disable third-party services. So click on hide all Microsoft services, and for the rest you want to pick which services you want to leave running that are necessary, and then disable all the other ones that are not needed by clicking on disable all. You can also turn back on manually what you need, which services you need, and then you want to click on apply and OK. Next, we want to go to the task manager and then go to the startup apps. And in this list, make sure to disable any apps that you don't need to be running at Windows startup. So pretty much everything is disabled in here for me except the necessary applications. For example, the audio apps and the Logitech mouse app and Windows Defender. And I don't need Xbox, so I'm going to disable it. Now you can close this after disabling everything that you don't need. Next, you want to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then Windows Update, and make sure you have the latest system updates installed, as system updates can improve performance and solve these problems. And next, you can clear the apps that you don't need by going to installed apps, and then uninstall any apps that you no longer use and just sitting there. You can also do a storage clear up. So if you go to system and then storage, and then wait for the recommended cleanup recommendations to be enabled. Now you can click on it, and it will suggest you what can be removed from temporary files, recycle bin, and downloads, and all of that stuff. Now you want to select everything possible here and make sure you don't delete stuff that you need in downloads, so you can save it before clearing this. And then you want to click on clean up to clean everything. Next, you can close this. Next, you want to go to your file explorer and then go to this PC and then right click on the main drive where Windows is installed. Click properties and then go to tools, and then under error checking, click on the check button and then click on scan drive and wait for it to scan and finish scanning the drive and potentially repair any errors. Now, once this scan is completed, what you can do is right click on the start button and then run the terminal as admin, or the CMD as admin for Windows 10. Right click and run as admin, which is the same. And we want to run the following command. So it's called sfc /scan now. Press enter and wait for it to scan your system and repair any potentially corrupted files. Now, once the scan is completed, you can close this window. And the last thing we're going to do is open Windows Defender and make sure it's turned on, because sometimes malware can cause this stuff. So you want to make sure the real-time protection is turned on and everything else is also turned on in here. And you can perform a scan to find and clear any threats in your PC. You can also use external tools for that, such as Malwarebytes, which is a popular tool. So you can search for Malwarebytes and then click on download free Malwarebytes, and it should allow you to scan your PC and prompt you with any malware or viruses found in your PC, and you can remove them and just reboot your PC, and that should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.